Hi, I'm Richard Morse, and welcome to the Morse Code, where I teach you how to make beautiful things for your home. We could do an entire episode just on tables. Tabletop Tuesday, even better than Taco Tuesday, and you know I love tacos. Or I could show you how to make beautiful contemporary art for the walls in your home. I'll show you how to use your camcorder to project an image onto a canvas and then paint it out. And don't worry if you're a little shaky, we like it like that. So if you've had too much caffeine or maybe you've been hitting the hooch, you might just be a born artist. This is a thrift store find, a dresser that we smacked with the Morse Code Glam Touch using silver leaf. The trick with the silver leaf is you want to make sure all your squares line up nice and straight, or you'll be more off than Adele at the Grammys. Looks like I'm running out of time. I'm Richard Morse. This is the Morse Code. Thanks for joining me.